question number 5, it is given divide the following using long division method. This long division method is very important, so try to understand it very carefully. Now see, we have to divide. This is our dividend, a raised to the power 6 plus 2a cube b cube minus 3b6, and this is our divisor, a cube minus b cube. Now look at the board carefully. What we have to do, we have to take first term of both the expression. Here it is a cube and here it is a raised to the power 6. Now divide a raised to the power 6 by a cube. What you will obtain? A cube. That means you need to multiply this expression by a cube. Multiply it. You will obtain a raised to the power 6 minus a cube b cube. Now sign will change. It will become minus, it will become plus. Now a raised to the power 6 minus a raised to the power minus 6, they will cancel out. 2a cube b cube plus a cube b cube, it will be 3a cube b cube minus 3b raised to the power 6. Now again take first term of this and first term of this. Divide them. You will obtain 3b cube. That means we need to multiply this expression by 3b cube. Now the sign will be same as there in this expression. Here there is no sign. No sign means that this term is positive. So you will take positive sign over here. Now do the multiplication. You will obtain 3a cube b cube minus 3b raised to the power 6. Sign will change. 3a cube b cube minus 3ab cube b cube cancel out. Minus 3b raised to the power 6 plus 3b raised to the power 6 cancel out. Both the terms cancel out. So the required answer will be a cube plus 3b cube. This is our required answer. Let us take one more example. Here we are supposed to divide x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. See, when we divide x raised to the power 4 by x, we obtain x cube. Now, that means this expression will be multiplied by x cube. You will obtain x raised to the power 4 plus x cube. Change the sign. Both the terms will cancel out. What will be left? You have to keep one thing in mind, that you need to bring the whole expression which is left over here. Now x square. Divide x square by x. You will obtain x. Multiply it by x. You will get x square plus x. Minus this term will be cancelled. 2x minus x will be left. Now when you divide x by x, you will obtain 1. So plus 1. X plus 1. All the terms cancel out. So the required answer is this quotient, which is x cube plus x plus 1. Once again I am repeating the procedure. What you have to do, you have to take first term over here and first term over here. Whatsoever comes upon division, that will be the first term of your quotient. Multiply this whole expression, whole dividend, by that quotient and you will obtain two terms. Change their sign and solve it. Then bring the rest of expressions over here. Again repeat the same procedure until and unless you obtain either the denominator 0 or somewhat less than the dividend. How to find that whether it is less than dividend or not, this we will do in further problems. Now see, in C part we are supposed to divide y cube minus 3y square minus y plus 3 by y plus 3. The very first step, divide y cube by y. What you will get? Y square. So multiply it by y square. You will get y cube plus 3y square. Change the sign. This will cancel out, but this will add because both will become negative. Minus 6y square minus y plus 3. Now divide minus 6y square by y. You will get minus 6y. Minus 6y square. Here minus 6y will come. Minus 18y. Change the sign. It will be 17y plus 3. Now divide 17y by y. You will obtain 17. So it will be 17y plus 51. Change the sign. You will obtain minus 48 as the remainder. So see, the power of remainder is 0. So whatsoever remainder you obtain, its power should be, its degree should be less than the dividend. So our quotient is y square. You will write the answer as quotient is equal to y square minus 6y plus 17 and remainder is equal to minus 48. E part, we are supposed to divide y4 plus 2y cube minus 3y square plus 2y minus 6 by y minus 2. See, first of all we will divide y raised to the power 4 by y and we will get y raised to the power 3. So this expression is to be multiplied by y cube. We will obtain y raised to the power 4 minus 2y cube. Now change the sign. This will cancel out, but these terms will add. 4y cube minus 3y square plus 2y minus 6. Now when we divide 4y cube by y, we will get 4y square. Now do the multiplication. You will get minus 8y square minus plus. Cancel it out. 5y square plus 2y minus 6 plus 5y. Because when we divide 5y square by y, you will get 5y. Do the multiplication. 5y square minus 10y. It will be 12y minus 6. Now when you divide 12y by y, you will get 12 plus 12. 12y minus 24. Change the sign. You will get 18. So in this case, your quotient is y cube plus 4y square plus 5y plus 12 and remainder is 18. Remainder is 18. So in such type of problems, you keep on divide till you get the term in which there is no variable or the degree of that remainder should be less than the degree of the dividend. So in this way you will solve your problem.